Hi, in today's session, RT with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all my dear students. In today's session, I am going to discuss about IELTS reading, complete overview in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Indonesia for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. Let us first see IELTS reading complete overview in the EduMall. IELTS reading tests your ability to understand, analyze and interpret written English. It plays a key role in achieving a high overall band score. Structure of IELTS reading. Total time 60 minutes, total questions 40 minutes and total sections 3. Let us first see IELTS reading for academics. You will see long, complex passages from books, journals and newspapers. You have to focus on analytical and academic reading skills. Second is general training IELTS. Here you will find everyday texts, advertisements, notices, workplace materials, more practical and real life oriented. What are the skills required? So what you have to do first is skimming for main ideas, scanning for specific information, understanding factual and implied meanings, recognizing writers' opinions and purpose, vocabulary and paraphrasing skills. If you have these skills, you will be very smart enough to get your answers quickly. Let us see what are the different types of questions. So different types of questions are multiple choice, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given, matching headings, sentence completion, summary, note, table completion, diagram labeling. How we can score? So each correct answer is equal to 1 mark. Band score 0 to 9 based on total correct answers. There is no negative marking. What are the tips to score high in IELTS reading? Don't read word by word. Skim first and then scan. Focus on keywords and paraphrased ideas. Manage time wisely. 20 minutes per passage. That means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour to complete all the 3 passages. And you can see here you have 20 minutes and 20 minutes. 3 passages equal to 60 minutes, 1 hour. Practice true, false, not given carefully. It's a tricky question. Improve vocabulary through regular reading. And practice with mock tests under exam conditions. What is the importance of IELTS reading? First, essential for study abroad and immigration, improves academic and professional reading ability, helps boost overall IELTS band score, builds confidence in English comprehension. Thus, in the EduMall, IELTS reading is not just exam preparation, it's a skill building journey towards global success. Thought of the day. And today's thought is, mistakes are proof you are trying. It means error aren't failures, but signs you are actively learning, growing and pushing boundaries, showing you are engaging with challenges rather than staying safe and still. It reframes mistakes as valuable feedback, highlighting effort and the path to improvement, as you can't learn or succeed without attempting new things and sometimes getting them wrong. So, if you make mistake, it doesn't show that you are going wrong. It means that you are working and mistakes are there. From those mistakes you will learn and then you will become a successful person. Important historical date, 22nd December. And today is 22nd December. Let's see what is the importance of this date. So, first, on 22nd December, it is celebrated as National Mathematics Day, celebrated annually to recognize Srinivasa Ramanujan's birth, promoting math awareness and education. On 22nd December 1894, the US Golf Association was formed in New York. On 22nd December 1814, the first mission station in New Zealand was established in the Bay of Islands. On 22nd December 1920, Gujarat Puratattva Mandir was established. This institution was founded as an integral part of Gujarat Vidyapeeth to focus on the study and research of Indian knowledge systems, culture, history and literature. Word of the day. Today's word is lethargy, meaning a state of being very tired and lacking energy or enthusiasm. Let's see the synonyms. Sluggishness, inactivity, drowsiness, listlessness, apathy. Antonyms: energy, vitality, activity, enthusiasm, liveliness, alertness, vigor. Origin: the word lethargy comes from Greek lethargia, combining lethe, that is forgetfulness, from the river Lethe in the underworld, and argos, that is idle, lazy. Let's see what is the sentence. The sentence is: the economic lethargy of the past few years has affected many businesses. Today we have learned one word, that is lethargy, and use this word in your sentence when you are speaking. Ask others also to use this word and you will see that you will become smarter and your friends will also become smarter in English speaking. Let us see why students go to Indonesia for higher education. Students go to Indonesia for higher education due to its blend of affordable, high quality education, rich cultural immersion, welcoming environment, growing research and strategic location in Southeast Asia, offering a unique global perspective at lower cost than Western countries, especially in fields like engineering, business and environment. Key reasons why students choose Indonesia. First, affordable education. Tuition fees and living costs are lower compared to many Western countries, making Indonesia a budget-friendly option. Quality universities. Indonesia has well-recognized universities offering strong programs in engineering, medicine, business, arts and social sciences. Diverse culture and global exposure. Students experience a rich mix of cultures, traditions and languages in a multicultural environment. English taught programs. Many universities offer courses in English, especially for international students. Growing academic reputation. Indonesian institutions are improving global rankings and research opportunities. Safe and student-friendly environment. Campuses provide good facilities, student support services, and a welcoming atmosphere. Strategic location. Located in Southeast Asia, Indonesia offers easy travel and exposure to Asian and global markets. Career and research opportunities. Expanding industries and regional partnerships provide internship and career growth. Thus, Indonesia offers a transformative experience with academic growth, personal development, and an enriching cultural adventure, making it a compelling choice for international students. Let us see one motivational story, the Buddha and the muddy water. The story involves Buddha asking a disciple to fetch water from a lake. The disciple first finds the water muddy after a bullock cart has passed through, deeming it unfit to drink. Buddha then asks the disciple to return later. Upon returning, the disciple finds the water clear as the mud has settled naturally and brings the clean water back to Buddha. Buddha used this as a teaching moment, explaining to his disciple that the mind is like the muddy water, just as the water cleared when left undisturbed. A disturbed mind will also settle and becomes clear on its own if given time and not actively struggled with. The highlights that finds inner peace is an effortless process achieved through patience and a non-reactive approach, much like practicing meditation or mindfulness. So the moral of the story is, the story teaches that clarity emerges naturally when the mind is allowed to settle on its own without forceful efforts. So remember, www.theedumall.com, address 229 The EduMall, Suesh Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, transforming education. Till the next video, we'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye.